is made up of four subsystems that are lithosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. Because of the human activities, these four systems are polluted. It can be classified as main three types, that are water pollution, air pollution, and soil pollution. Today, these three pollution types are the main impact to all living beings. Water is the essential need to all living beings. If water is not, we can't survive. Everyone knows humans are the species that they mostly use water to fulfill their need. So, every human uses water, but they don't protect the water. Due to the rising of technology, humans create new inventions, but they didn't solve its side effects. For an example, plastic. Plastics are made up for get easier our day-to-day life, but today it's instead of huge barrier to all living beings. Do you know how plastics are made? It's made some natural things such as cellulose, coal and natural gases, and artificial thing is crude oil. Then it gets polymerization. So that is the shortest explanation. So did you know how many tons of plastic get collected in the world per year? It almost 8 million to ocean and 80% to deep sea and 60 million to land. Another way, 300 millions of plastic make per year. Then now you can understand the impact of plastics. Then who is making plastics? The answer is humans. So let's talk about another topic, that's air pollution. Air pollution is the presence of substance in the atmosphere that harmful to the health of humans and other living beings. Air is a basic need to humans, but it also gets polluted. Why? What is the reason? Today, we are fulfilled with technology. So, humans create new inventions. For an example, vehicles. In past, humans walked for their transportation. After a century, they used animals for their transportation. So, in that time, there's no air pollution. Not full, very little amount. After the vehicles being invented, day by day, air get polluted. Another barrier is factory smoke. After the iron was found, humans did a lot of work in that period. It was the turning point of the technology, but everyone had no idea about its other side. They did not say that then that was the turning point of nature. Due to air pollution, atmosphere also get damaged. It's directly caused to every living beings. Some countries, they follow green concept to minimize the air pollution. We will try to give information about green concept further. The another pollution type is soil pollution. What is soil pollution? Soil pollution is known as presence of toxic substance to soil and which get damaged to ecosystem. So the main threat is toxic substance. How it get caused? Today agriculture sector have high technology. So they invented new inorganic fertilizers which can help to beard food quickly. In that time, farmers forget the organic fertilizers, then the soil also adapted to inorganic fertilizers. So, farmers picked the inorganic fertilizers. Then they used inorganic fertilizers to get their harvest quickly. That is the reason. Then what is the final answer to these type of pollutions? The answer is global. Now we can understand the situations of the nature, and we can understand how we are treating to our nature. This is the time to change this situation. Let's join with Nature Guardians. Subscribe our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. If you like to join our Nature Guardians community group, the WhatsApp group link is on description. Thank you.